Presentations. What kind of presentations are there? I get asked this question quite a bit, so let's talk about it. There are two different types of presentations at this conference. There are free, on-demand presentations that you have full control over for a limited amount of time. And the benefit of that is so many for you to be able to take notes, things like that. The main benefit is that we are able to get speakers from around the world, from different time zones, who are still in the classroom and busy during the day, that whole deal. So that allows us to have a lot of freedom. The other type of content that we have during the conference is the really energizing, invigorating, community-oriented piece of this conference, which is when you get to interact live with presenters. So they are available at specific times. That schedule is released during the conference and previous to the conference, and we will go over that more in detail. But if you're interested in that absolutely electrifying part of this conference, especially with the exclusive content that's present in it, check out the All Access Pass. That's where you will get all of that information. The other important thing to note about this conference is that the speakers get a portion of all the ticket sales. So everything that you purchase through your district, highly encourage you to get funding for this through your district or school, will support the speakers. So thank you for that.